In this video, I will show you how to hide Instagram following and followers list. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Start by opening the Instagram application on your phone. It will take you straight to the Instagram homepage. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Over here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal bars. This is the Instagram settings and activity page. Scroll down and go to Creator Tools and Controls. Here, scroll down and tap on Switch Account Type. Then tap on Switch to Personal Account. Tap on Switch to Personal Account again to confirm. When you switch to a personal account, you will lose access to in-app insights and insights from all of your content. Now, go back to the Settings and Activity page and tap on Account Privacy. On this page, enable Private Account. When your account is private, only your followers can see what you share, including your photos or videos, and also your followers and following list. Tap on Switch to Private again to confirm. You have now successfully switched your account to a private account. And that's it. You can now easily hide Instagram following and followers list.